Hi, in this session we'll discuss about that digestion process in stomach. Stomach digestion in stomach. Already we know that stomach is a distensible bag-like structure which is located in our abdominal cavity, upper left upper side of our abdominal cavity. So it is a distensible bag-like structure. The food storage here nearly 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. Partially digested food in our mouth through the esophagus by a peristaltic movement. It reaches to the stomach. Stomach has greater curvature, lesser curvature, and cardiac, body, fundus parts, and regulated by the two sphincters. After reaching the food, that is a bolus, into our stomach, what the process will goes on, how the digestion takes place in our stomach. Storage duration, food storage duration is nearly 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. The stomach has three layers: serosa, mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa. So several layers are present, and also different type of cells present. They secrete different type of enzymes along with the HCl. Some cells released secrete the HCl. These HCl facilitate the activate the enzymes activate the enzymes activate the enzymes and activate the enzymes. So because of the acidic nature, the enzymes will activate and acts on the food substance. So next one is the bicarbonates and mucus lubricate lubricate the upper layer lubricates the upper layer of stomach, that is the epidermis, and protect from corrosive nature of HCl. Corrosive nature of HCl. So some cells will secrete the HCl, hydrochloric acid. This HCl change the food medium into alkaline to acidic nature. Because of this acidic nature, some enzymes are activate and facilitate their reaction. Next, bicarbonates, mucus secretes bicarbonates, and mucus cells secrete the mucus, and bicarbonates lubricate the epidermis of stomach and protects from the corrosive nature of HCl. So what are the enzymes are present, how they digest the mostly proteins are digested here in the stomach. No carbohydrate digestion takes place here. That is the bolus reaches the stomach. First one is by the HCl. By the action of HCl, pepsinogen will converts into pepsin. This is the inactive form of inactive enzyme. They act as a active form, will converts into active. This pepsin acts on the proteins, converts into proteases and peptones. Proteases and peptones. This is about the pepsin. Next one is the prorenin. Prorenin converts into renin by the act of HCl. Prorenin converts into renin. These renin acts on the casein. Casein, this is the milk protein. This acts on the casein, converts into paracasinate. This paracasinate again by the renin and calcium ions converts into calcium paracasinate and peptones and peptones. So this paracasinate calcium paracasinate and proteases. So next this calcium paracasinate again converts into peptones by the renin. This is the digestion of milk protein. So first one, prorenin converts into renin in the active forms by the HCl. This renin acts on the casein converts into paracasinate again in the presence of calcium ions by the renin, calcium paracasinate and proteases. Those proteins in the form of calcium paracasinate converts into peptones. So next one is the fats. So the triglycerides converts into fatty acids and monoglycerides by the gastric lipase. This is the digestion process in our stomach. Only proteins and fatty fats are digested here. So most of the enzymes are inactive forms. The pepsinogen and prorenin are the inactive form. Due to the HCl nature, acidic nature, will turns into active form. Again they act on the proteins, converts into proteases and peptones. Next one is the milk. The baby, this is not in adult. In the baby, whenever depends upon the milk feeding, this is a casein converts into paracasinate, again calcium paracasinate, again into lastly peptones. So next one is the fatty acids. Fats are in the form of triglycerides by the gastric lipase, converts into monoglycerides and fatty acids. These bicarbonates act as a buffer and regulates the acidic medium of stomach. This is a digestion process in our stomach. Digestion in our stomach. So after 4 to 5 hours, a small portion of digested food, that is the chyme, that is called chyme, sent into next part of the duodenum. This is about the stomach. Okay, thank you.